Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to rotate view a PDF pages or PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open a PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now select this view option, left side top corner, and select a rotate view. You can rotate view clockwise and counterclockwise. Click on this clockwise and see this. All of these pages now rotate clockwise. You can move here this way and save. Again select view option and you can select counterclockwise. Again select counterclockwise and save this. Yeah, in this way you can set rotate view to a PDF file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.